Yeah. Yeah.
DJ Defense.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this run fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what
We're so nice and patient. Look at us. Respecting the world is content creating.
Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't want that, they working my nerve. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the BMP lady. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with a Willie, let's knock on a billion.
Happy birthday to yourself, Icy. Okay, we made it to Santa Monica. Should be fun. Made it to the beach. They have a cute little boardwalk with rides, the whole carnival festivities, Jersey Shores, giving Jersey Shore, Coney Island if you're from Brooklyn. Let's see what today's adventure brings. We're gonna go to this really cute restaurant called La Mesa, and they have like really nice entertainment and stuff like that, so it should be fun. Okay, Camise wants to get in the water. Icy wants to watch the boys, and I'm with that. I was just letting them know that you want to go to the water and he wants to watch the boys.
Are you kidding me? I see we can do that after. They always gonna be there. Remember those apples. Period.
Period poo.
Deep in the road.
Just to save you, I give all of me. Yeah, I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall for me. So to save you, I give my all. You fell for me, I count on you when times are tough. Instead of holding you down, I should lift you up. It hurts me when you start to see my flaws. But just to save you, I risk it all. Short on time for you, I never have enough. When I ran into you, I didn't plan on falling in love.
Santa Monica is a vibe. Everyone is so fucking cute. Kind of nice that the sun came out now because the sun was dead ass just on here. But it's a vibe, it's a vibe.
Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall.
Okay, finished product. I see you, Icy. My bitch got couture, all that, accessorized, always.
Just to save you, I give all of me. I can hear you screaming out, calling me. It's my fault, made you fall.
Hey guys, made it to the convention center. Today is the fashion show. We had dinner yesterday for his birthday at some really cute place. It was very dark, so we didn't record inside or anything, but I took my ponytail out because I'm trying to be Jada Waiter. But this is downtown LA, where the fuck we should have been.
to wait for the Uber, and it was nobody out there but crackheads. And I was like,
girl, that's exactly how it is by our hotel. At night though, in the morning they disappear.
but it was like, I guess it was still early.
I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me.
Good morning. There we go. Okay, good morning.
Express my love, that's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the most, see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me, someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I'll meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what you don't mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me.
Fucking cold up here too. We gotta get down before it gets real brick.
Yeah.
Tell me if she still up. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know.
Are you ready, bitch? Hurry up. Come on, try harder. Wow.
It is, yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if she still up. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now.
I just want to see that. I know, right? This is nice though. You sure? You're not setting me up for failure. This is your room.
Yeah, everybody man.
Everybody is mad. This is nice.
For the bath, you feel me?
Okay.
Got the jacuzzi with the big stand-up shower and all that. You feel me? Everybody just be stressed.
Everybody is stressed because what the fuck?
When they slide through the streets, it takes a finesse, especially in this cabaret Jeep. Engine make it hard to creep, just leave the gate open. Through the side door, I'm a creep. Are you by the Terrell and all the kids downstairs asleep? And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me?